Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing video for you. This is the October My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition kit. This month we got lots of awesome papers and embellishments, many of them from the 49 and Market Art Options Alina collection. And it's an absolutely stunning collection. I love the color scheme. So first I'm going to show you the papers and then I'll show you everything else that we got in the kit. And I'm starting off with my favorite paper. I absolutely love the large scale of these flowers. I love these blues and I love the peach and the reddish color over here. I just love the watercolor effect on this page. And then there's this beautiful teal background and some really wonderful large butterflies. And then on the other side is this light blue paper, and in 49 and Market fashion, it's not a solid. It has lots of little touches. There's some large letters in the background, some small script white letters in the background, just a lot of variation and texture. But even though I like this side too, I am definitely planning on using this paper for one of my layouts. I can't wait to get started with that one. Here's another beautiful floral. This one has some butterflies and just a few flowers in the upper right-hand corner. I like the way this area is white. I feel like that would be a great area to put a photo. And on the other side of that one is this beautiful textured blue paper. And then on the bottom is a branding strip. I love the 49 and Market branding strips. I feel like I could use them in several ways on my layouts. Often they have images and sentiments and patterns that can be used. Here's another paper that has a floral on top, and I love the way this background has these little spots on it. It's such a cool effect. I like the way the flowers are at the top. I think that's really unique. On the other side is this beautiful, I guess it's like a orangey peach color, and again, a really cool branding strip. Here's another beautiful paper, again with the flowers and the butterflies, and then the background that has some lighter areas and some darker areas, some mixed media effects on the background. There's some print. Love this paper too. And then on the other side is a really pretty pink paper, again with all the variation and texture, and then a nice branding strip. Love the lace look that this one has. This one is another beautiful floral. I like the way there's a cluster here and a cluster here. And then the background on this one is this beautiful orangey peach color. I love this butterfly. It's such a pretty combination of blues. On the other side is this really pretty pattern paper. I love the way there are these subtle flowers in the background. It's monochromatic, but there's definitely a lot going on here, and I think this would also make a really cool background paper. Not sure which one I'll use. And now we have some more flowers. This time there's a darker blue background, and the flowers are going up and down along the left-hand side. Love the watercolor effect of these flowers. And then on the other side is this very pale, I would say it's like a yellow color, and then a orange striped branding strip. This is another one of the papers that I was absolutely thrilled about. I love when they have these wreaths. Sometimes I will stitch on these lines and sometimes I'll do other things, but I always find that the pages that I make on this kind of paper come together really quickly. I love these bright blues. I feel like I don't often see this color on scrapbook pages. Some pages have it, but I don't feel like I see it as much as I should. And then on this other side, or the other side, is this beautiful stripe. And I like to use thin stripes on my pages. Down here is this really cool, isn't that neat? Multicolored with little white dots on it. Very pretty. Oh, look at this paper. Another gorgeous paper. I love the way there's so much vibrancy and the colors almost vibrate, that they're so well planned and they go so well with each other. I absolutely love this paper too. I love, once again, the large scale of the flowers and the watercolor effect. And then on the other side is this pretty, almost like a solid, but as usual with the 49 in Market, there are some variations. And I love this branding strip. There's 4 butterflies and 3 sentiments. And I feel like that's something that I would definitely want to use on one of my pages. In addition to the pattern papers, we also get 2 cut apart sheets. This first one is from the Alina collection. It has lots of really pretty flowers, leaves, some journaling cards or layering pieces, some tickets, some frames, and you can even use the inside of the frame for something on your layout. Another little journaling card. I will definitely get a lot of use out of these, and oftentimes I start by cutting all of these out, and that way I have them ready to go on my layouts. We also got another one. This is from another 49 in Market collection, but I think that it matches in really well. You could have some dark peach flowers, and then you could have some flowers that have a little bit of that same color, but they're lighter. I feel like that would make a nice combination. And then once again, we get some other embellishments, some stamps, and some journaling cards or layering pieces, and some tickets. Those are all the papers we got in the collection. In October's kit, we also get this Echo Park stencil. It is called Wedding. I think this will be a great complement to the pattern papers that we got in this kit. Over the years, I feel like I've gotten so many amazing stencils from the My Creative Scrapbook Kit, yet this one is different from any of the others that we've gotten. I love this pattern, and I'm looking forward to trying this out. We also get the Art Options Alina laser cut elements. There are tons and tons of images in this pack. I took the packaging off so I could show you everything that we get. They always have an image on the front of everything that you get, but I think it's much better to look at the actual laser cut pieces. On the other side of the packaging, there's always something that you could use on your layouts in these 49 in Market packs. We have this piece here that I would use as a layering piece, and then here are some other elements that I think you could put your photos on, although I'm sure there are other ways you could use them. Here's a smaller one with a blue border. There's a flower, a label, and some very colorful butterflies. I'm always looking for butterflies to use on my layouts, so I'm always happy to see plenty of them in a kit. Then we get 2 large folded sheets, and I'm going to show you this one first. There's lots and lots of things to use here. There are lots of stamps. There are some leaves over here. I love this big leaf clusters. There's flowers, there's butterflies. They have these same elements that I think you could put your photos on, but with lots of things to use in the center as well. I love this heart. There's this tiny frame, some small sentiments, some tabs, and then some butterflies. And then for the second sheet of laser cuts, there's this nice big window. I think this would be great to either use with your photo, like with your photo behind it, or as a layering piece to layer your photo on top of. And again, there are some sentiments here, lots of flowers and leaves to go with the flowers, some more stamps. I love these nice straight pieces of lace in all the main featured colors of the collection. Another thing that we get in the kit is this Art Options Ephemera Bits pack. This has 71 pieces in it. There's always so much, and I'm going to open it up and show it to you so you could see exactly what you'll receive. I always like to point out how the packaging on 49 in Market products is extremely useful. Last month I used almost every bit of the packaging from the Ephemera pack. This is an absolutely gorgeous sheet. I absolutely love these flowers that are on here, and you can absolutely use these sheets on your layout. You could fussy cut them, or you could use them as a whole. Of course, we also get lots of ephemera pieces, and I'm going to go through them rather quickly. I just wanted you to get an idea of what's in here. So here's this beautiful spray of flowers with all those gorgeous colors in the collection featured in this one die cut. Here are some other elements, a flower and a butterfly. And then I love these frames. These frames are fantastic. I love the colors of them. And then here's another die cut piece with some leaves, some more leaves, a flower, and another beautiful frame. Oh, here's another spray of those gorgeous flowers. A postcard. We get lots of tabs and lots of labels. Some of them have writing on them and some of them are plain. There are always lots of tickets I find in these ephemera packs, which I love because I feel like you could use tickets on pretty much any layout. And I love the way they use every little bit of paper and they print something that you can use on your layout on it. So in the center of these frames, they have some tickets. I love using these small frames. There are lots of tiny sentiments, some more tabs. Here is a tag, some more tickets, tabs, sentiments. And you can see that the sentiments sometimes are different colors, sometimes they're black and white. It just depends on the layout which you would use. Here's a little tiny, that might be the center of something, but I feel like you could use that as well. More of those small frames and tickets. Here are some more tags, some more tickets, tabs, tickets, sentiments, labels in all those beautiful colors. And then some large pieces. I always call these layering pieces because I like to layer these behind my photos, but other scrapbookers have other things they like to do with them, but they're nice and large. I like to use them sometimes behind photos cut in a shape, and then if you want to change the color, you could use some inks on them. Here's another one. This one is a really pretty color. There's some more die cuts hiding behind the larger die cut. It's a leaf and a stem. And then here we go. Here's those little, I guess they're like little frames for labels. And then we have another label, another beautiful frame, a card, and some more butterflies. And I just want to look at these three frames together. I love those colors. So that's everything that's in the ephemera pack. And now I'm going to show you my very, very favorite part of what's in every limited edition kit. So my very favorite part of the kit is the dimensional flowers. I absolutely love these. I love putting them on my pages. This month we got 3 Prima sets of flowers, and the colors go just incredibly well with the pattern papers that we have. Something that we got that I haven't seen a lot and that I absolutely love is this pack of very small flowers. I love using them as accents, and I am very much looking forward to using these on my pages, but I love these large teal ones as well, and I love the way they're not all the same. There's some teal, there's some lighter color blue. I love this butterfly we get, and then we also get the more warm colored flowers. We get the melon color and a peach color and some other similar colors, and they have a little bit of sparkle on the edges, and they have these beautiful gold centers. There is one additional item you'll receive this month. It's this beautiful set of Prima chipboard flowers. Also this month, all kit members of any of the My Creative Scrapbook kits will receive a free gift. So that's everything that you will receive in your October My Creative Scrapbook kit. I hope that you found this video helpful. At the very end of the video, I always include pictures of the layouts that I made using this month's kit. If you would like to stay till the very end, you could see those. And then I always put out some process videos on how I made those layouts. I hope that you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.